Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little product review. So I'm going to show you what I got yesterday, and then some of these products I got like a few days ago. Some of it I just want to show you because I've been enjoying it. What I got yesterday is this CeraVe Hydrating Toner. You guys, if you don't know, I have very sensitive skin. This is day 2 basically. I used it last night and then this morning. And it's extremely hydrating. As it says, it's a hydrating toner. It's alcohol free, fragrance free. However, it does have, let me smell. It's like it's not scented, but it's like almost like a chemically, it's good for you. So yeah, really great toner. Get this. I would highly recommend for sensitive, acne prone skin. Get it. In South Africa, I've been using the Eucerin. This is a really great toner if you're in South Africa. She does the things. Okay, the next thing I got is this lovely eye cream. It's the Elf Hydration or Holy Hydration. It has hyaluronic acid and peptides. I used it last night and I used it this morning. It feels good on the eye. I guess I could recommend this. It's one of the cheaper eye creams. So if you're in need of an eye cream, get you the Holy Hydration. Again, let's refer back to South Africa. When I was in South Africa, I bought this. I think some of y'all might have seen it on my channel already. This Neutrogena Hydro Boost Awakening Eye Cream. It's one of those eye creams I chose because it was more affordable than the other eye creams. Like, you guys, why is eye cream so expensive for these little, for these little tubs? It's so freaking expensive. I don't understand. And then what I also got yesterday is this Maybelline Studio Brow Pomade. I know this is something of the 2017, 2018, 2016 era. Listen, if you like something, buy it, get it. Don't be like, oh, it's not a trend anymore, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Like, listen, if you like something, get it. You don't have to be following trends. I know my brows are a little bit big today, like I did it extra big. I don't know why, but basically this is on my brows and I do love it. I love this product. I especially love the brush. I'm really liking it, you guys. I would recommend this. And then also what I got yesterday, this lovely Maybelline lip liner. This is the color. It's in the shade Rich Chocolate. It's very winter, fall friendly. I think the shade is really nice. So yeah, I recommend this. And then I also got this NYX Butter Gloss. And you guys, this stuff feels so good on the lips. I love it. It's not sticky. It's just like perfect. Your lips literally feel like butter. I think it's a really nice shade. It kind of feels like the Essence lip oil. I'm going to show you some products I got a few days ago. The Scan 2 Daily Moisturizer, and then the Scan 2 Conditioner. This is for curly hair, I guess. Smells really good. I can't really give you a review on how it feels after washing my hair because I haven't washed my hair yet and I got this like a few days ago, so I don't know. I've been using it on my edges. You guys, I don't like using gel on my edges. It feels just so heavy, so I like opting for a conditioner instead. And then I got this because I've been using a conditioner every day on my hair, but I wasn't using this conditioner. I was using the Aussie Miracle something. So I've been using that every day and I just don't think it's good for my hair. So I had to get something that is meant for like daily use. It does make your hair greasy, I'm not gonna lie, because my hands literally from can you see I touched my hair, it's greasy. And then another product I got like a few days ago is this EOS Shave Cream. And you guys, this stuff smells so good. It's amazing. It's amazing. And fun little fact, this is my first shaving cream. Listen. Okay, so I am a washcloth bar soap type of girly, okay? I prefer a washcloth. I don't like a loofah. I feel like you don't get to all the cuts and creases, so I like a washcloth. And if you use shower gel and a washcloth, those two just, they don't go, okay? It doesn't lather up, it doesn't make foam, but if you use a bar soap, then it does make a nice little foam. You just feel so clean. So I use the Dove bar soap on my body, and then when I shave, I just lather some soap on there and shave, and I'm good to go. It's been working, okay? Except for down there, I'm really sensitive, so I have to use a different soap. In South Africa, I would use the Gynaguard, which is really expensive. It's like 80 rand for a bar. Okay, it's probably more expensive now. It's 80 rand for a bar. So when I tell you I only use it on my intimate area, I only use it on my intimate area. That soap is not going on this body. Okay, it's way too expensive, but we'll get to that. Let's focus on the shaving cream. So the shaving cream is my first, and it's so good, you guys. Like, it smells good, it feels good on the skin. My skin feels so smooth after using it. I use it once. Amazing. Get yourself this shave cream. Now that I'm in the States, I haven't seen Gynaguard in the stores, so this is what I got. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but yeah, this is what I got. It's unscented, dye-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, all of that good stuff. It's pH balanced. I've been here for a few months now, and it's been working for me. Okay, so if you're a sensitive girly, get you this. Or if you're in South Africa, get you the Gynaguard. Trust me, it's a game changer. I've been using unscented soap for like years, since like university days. And then on the topic of, you know, women health, I got this probiotic capsules. It's for women, I guess. So I've been using this. I ran out of it, but I kept the box so that I can remember that I need it, and I also wanted to remember the brand and the name. In South Africa, I used moccasin. You guys, moccasin is, however, I haven't seen it in the stores here. I've been looking, I don't see the moccasin. It is quite expensive. The big bottle is 300 and something rand, and to buy it online, like, no, we're not paying those prices, so I had to opt for a different probiotic. What I liked about the moccasin was that it broke down like the dairy and lactose in products that you eat. So if you were kind of lactose intolerant, but not like severe, like if you eat it, you no. I'm talking about like me, when I eat ice cream or like dairy products, I tend to like break out and, you know, have an upset stomach. So the moccasin would kind of like prevent that from happening, because it breaks down the lactose or the dairy in the foods that you eat. I don't know how it does that. Listen, it's some fermented something. It's a fermented something. It tastes horrible, but you know, things that taste horrible are usually good for you. I would recommend using that if you are in South Africa. If you have eczema, if you have acne, it's really good. It's a liquid, so you add it to like some water or juice. Most people would prefer juice so they can avoid the taste. I just go in with water. I'm like, I want the most out of this product, especially because of the price. But for now, this is what we're using. Probiotics are, it's up there. It's something that you should consume on a daily basis. I feel like that's why Korean people have such great skin, because they eat kimchi, and kimchi is fermented. So fermented foods are always like really, really high in probiotics. I have one last product that I just wanted to show you. It's this lotion, you guys. You are going to smell so good after using this lotion. It smells delicious. It's literally vanilla, cashmere, caramel, toasted caramel. I don't know. It smells so good. It's a perfect winter fall scent. I would highly recommend getting this. I have like this much left. I'm really like trying to stretch it. It's like $10, which is like almost 200 rand for a lotion. I don't use this on a daily. I use Nivea on a daily because it's like hydrating for your skin. This is like when I go out, I want to smell good. I don't put it on my whole body. I'll put it like, you know, where you can smell me. Get you this. You would want to eat yourself. Okay, you're gonna be there trying to lick yourself. Get this. Okay, so you guys, that is it for my little product haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, Sasha is crying. She's doing the little because she can hear me speaking, but she's like, who are you talking to? And I closed the door because she's going to disturb me. Okay, let's kill her quickly. Hey, oopsie. Say hello, people. Say hello, people. Oh, is that pretty girl? Oh, is this pretty girl? Get it. Get it, Sasha. Get it, girl. It's my fault, I guess. Get it, girl. Thumbnail.